Sorry, I'm trying to adjust my thing over here. I'm going to put my camera in it. But I'm on my way to the jail to visit someone, and then I'm going to do some home decor shopping. I got all the stuff to do my bathroom, and this is all for the new house. So I got a broom and a mop. I'm going to clean both of the bathrooms today and start decorating the bathroom. We haven't moved any furniture or anything yet because we're going to redo the floors. We are about 90% done with painting. We literally painted every room in the house. So we're about 90% done with painting. All we have to do left is paint part of the kitchen and a little bit of trim here and there. Other than that, all we have left to do really is the floor as far as like home remodeling. Today I'm also going to measure the windows so that I can purchase blinds for the house. But if the windows currently fit the blinds that I have in my living area now, I'm going to wash those up really good and bring those to the new house, just because they are really, really good blinds. They're wooden style blinds, and they're really nice and quite expensive actually. So then I'm going to bring those, but I will be putting new blinds in like the bedrooms and stuff like that. So that's the plan. So I'm going to take you with me today. Maybe this time I won't forget to actually vlog and kind of show you a before and after. Well, obviously not an after quite yet, but a before, so that way you can kind of go along with the home decor journey with me. And I love decorating and that sort of thing. I've never, hang on, sorry, that was probably really annoying. I have not decorated anything in the place that I'm currently living, only because I knew that was a temporary situation, and the majority of the furniture that's in there is not mine. It was already furnished when we moved in, so all that is like, you know, I'm not taking any of that stuff. Obviously the kids' beds and things like that I will be taking, but like all that stuff in the living room, not taking any of that stuff. So I'm going to finish my drive, and I'll see you in a little bit. Decided to make a pit stop at Chick-fil-A. You guys, they have this thing called the, oh gosh, what's it called? Lemon something. Hello.
Would you like a free cookie sample?
Sure.
Would you like to look at the menu?
Are y'all still serving like the chicken minis?
No, breakfast is over at 10:30.
Yeah, I do need to look at the menu.
Okay.
Thanks. I'll probably just get nuggets. Oh, the frosted lemonade. That's what it's called. Frosted lemonade. So good. Okay, I think I know what I want. Okay. Thanks. Anyway, they gave me a cookie sample. Can I have another one? I'm hungry. It's good. It's like an oatmeal chocolate chip. It's really good. Anyway, y'all need to try the frosted lemonade from Chick-fil-A. Bomb. This is good. So good. I do the I'm getting some food dance. So good. To move, I cannot even stress to you or explain to you how excited I am about moving. I've been talking about it for a while. If you've been following me on YouTube for some time now, you guys know, oh my God, they have a damn cow costume guy. Oh my gosh. He's dressed up like a cow. Anyway, I'm so excited to move. Uh-oh, here we go. My turn. Hello.
Hello, what can I get for you?
I'm just gonna get some nuggets.
8 count or 12 count?
8.
Do you want it as a meal?
Yes.
And a drink?
Frosted lemonade?
Small or large?
Small.
And condiments?
Ketchup.
All right. 8 count nugget with medium fries, small frosted lemonade, and 2 ketchup.
Yes.
Sound good? And would you like to buy an elf cow? Make a great Christmas present.
No, thank you.
All right, it's gonna be $7.87 at the window.
Thank you.
Okay, my pleasure.
But yeah, I will show you my frosted lemonade when I get it. I promise you, you will want to try it. It is so good. Yes. So here is my frosted lemonade. Basically, what it is, they take soft serve ice cream and they mix it with lemonade. Oh my God, it is such a light, refreshing frozen beverage. It is so delicious, I swear. Oh my gosh. If you like milkshakes or lemonade or like Frosties, something like that, you're going to love this. I'm sorry if this is like wobbly. I have you on my window mount. I probably should move it to my dash, but it's probably going to be just as shaky. This is so good, y'all. So good. I just wanted to share it with you really quick. I seriously wish that you guys were here. I would let you taste it. You'll love it. Anyway, holla at you later. Oh my gosh. Don't hit me, Van. Okay, so you gotta come to this machine and get your ticket for parking. You put your money in here. And then you just wait for it to print your ticket. Ta-da! Got my ticket. And then you just put it in the window so that the parking police can see it. Go there. So, just left the jail a few minutes ago, and now it's time to go shopping. I'm at Marshall's. So I'm gonna run in here and see what I can find for the house. If I can find a place to park. I have to go on the other side. Come on, take your sweet ass time, people. Take your sweet ass time. Got this Bird's Blend. I'm gonna put it in this bird feeder and hang it on that tree out back. This is our new backyard, guys. And as you can see, there's a birdhouse over here. I'm barefoot, so I'm trying to be careful. But there's a birdhouse. And let's see if there's anything in it. Anybody home? Anybody in there? I don't know. But so there's that birdhouse, and then there's that birdhouse. This thing was already back here, so I'm going to figure out how I can hang this on this. Okay, so it looks like there's some sort of fishing wire on the birdhouse, so I just hooked it on there like that, so it's just going to dangle down. It's just going to dangle down like that. So hopefully the birds will come out here and eat it. There's a lot of vines on this tree. Let's move those guys out of the way. They're all wrapped all the way up this tree. It's a pine tree, but it's small. So anyway, hopefully we'll find some baby birds out here one day. This is Mama's room. Boys' room. Alright, so here's the bathroom before I decorate. This is the before, this is the tub. Hi guys, the sink, the toilet area. So, again, before, turn that off, before I decorate, okay, before. Okay, here's the after. I just put on this shower curtain. It's from Better Home and Garden. It came with these chrome hooks. It also came with the 2 floor mats. These are really, really soft. It came with the big one and the small one. I got this basket from Marshall's, and then I just rolled up a few towels, and then I put the washcloths in here as well. Currently, I just have this artificial plant and this candle. Both are from Marshall's, and a Bath and Body Works hand soap. And then back here, I just have coordinating towels. I will, I don't know, I might fold those a little bit different, but for now, that's how it is. And then I just have that candle there, but that's not going to stay there. I'm going to move that too. So, that's that. It's looking like a bathroom now. Oh, and then inside, Sophie has a bath mat down there, so when she takes a bath, she ain't slipping and sliding. Wee.